In Japan, there are 4 consecutive holidays in September. So today I want to share the scenery of Ishigaki Island during the 4th consecutive holidays in September 2020. This is near the 730 intersection. I'm about to enter Euglena Mall. It was around 4 o'clock, but the scene was the same as usual. I just got a left turn after Euglena Mall. You can see Banana Cafe, where you can use Wi-Fi and power supply. This is on the way to the terminal. Here the Ferry Terminal in Ishigaki City. Maria's ice cream is famous. I get the impression that the number of people is slightly larger than usual. You can rent an electric motorcycle here. I came to the roof of the ferry terminal. This is a fairly long slope going to the rooftop. You can check the taxi fare and duration time going to the famous places. This is a bus terminal where the bus to the airport leaves. I found only one person waiting for the bus. Halloween goods are on sale at the smaller Daiso in Ishigaki City. I didn't know that there is a batting center here in Ishigaki Island. There's also a GoShare shop here. I saw a signboard pointing the Maezato Beach, so I'm going to take a look. Intercontinental is famous as the most prestigious hotel in Ishigaki Island. I don't know the way to the beach, so I'll take a side street for the time being. A road with no evidence of people entering recently. Dead end. I turned back and entered the Intercontinental grounds. I tried to go to the main building, but I hesitated a little. It seems to be no way to the beach on this side. When I was about to give up, I saw a signboard for a bicycle parking lot for the beach. Since I came here for the first time, I don't know how many people usually come to swim, but I think there are a few people during the holidays. Seawater is not clean. The restaurant I'm going to visit next time. Compare better sushi that I'm going to visit next time. Halloween goods were also on sale at the larger Daiso. I came to buy tension rods, but I didn't buy them because I didn't know the size. I happened to find the signboard of the old well I was looking for, so I went there, but I couldn't find it on that day. I think Euglena Mall in the evening was quite prosperous. Ishigaki will be crowded from this time.